Hey everyone, my name is Achal and today I will be talking about my STEM Pathways project. For my STEM Pathways project, I decided to engineer uh, a automatic plant watering system or a smart irrigation system. So first of all, identifying the problem. I identified my problem by thinking about the past projects I have done, then looking at which one could be a global issue. Then I settled onto the need for smart irrigation. The criteria and constraints. The criteria for my project was that it could water plants through a durable method at specific intervals, which are calculated by sensing moisture by plants, as well as it could provide any amount of water at any time interval. A few constraints for my project were that it ran solely on electricity. That way, it would be easy to convert it to solar energy if need be. Another constraint was that it runs 24/7 to ensure the plants are receiving optimal amounts of water and are in good health. When I was brainstorming, I came up with multiple ideas to tackle this problem. My most practical design was a data logging and analysis system. In this design, I would use a humidity, moisture, temperature, and soil temperature sensor and run it into an algorithm to produce a schedule for watering the plants. Another one of my designs, which was a little bit less practical, used artificial lights and a container to hold only a few plants in it at a time. I abandoned this design, however, since it didn't quite align with the global issue I was trying to solve. This is because it would only be able to irrigate a few plants at a time and required unnecessary items such as artificial lights, whereas you could be using solar energy, unlike my main idea. So selecting a design wasn't quite hard as I thought out to be. It was I picked the first one due to its practicality, ease of use, and functionality. So my first prototype only consisted of a simple circuit which could water the plants whenever the moisture drops. It wasn't very practical since it couldn't change according to the humidity and temperatures. Once I receive the required parts, I will share my design on the website once it's built. So now onto the reflection. I believe that my project so far has been quite successful. I've made a product that can run 24/7, provides water to plants whenever they are dry, is practical, and lastly, is easy to use. Most certainly, my major achievement would be that I was able to document my work in an organized manner while making valuable progress on my project. Another achievement that I am very proud of is being able to problem solve with ease. I learned to solve problems by taking on new perspectives and not giving up. Nevertheless, one thing I could have improved was setting my project in almost real situations. What I mean by this is I should have set the system inside a greenhouse and now done observations on how it performs in a real test. Now onto the self-evaluation. Over the time I've been in STEM pathways, I learned that I have become a better student because I was able to take responsibility to work independently on a project without the need of a supervisor. However, one thing I would have done differently is that I would have talked more to my mentor in order to receive help from experts and also listen to other views and opinions on my project. Thank you.